trick for making control surface hinges in this dollar foam board that Flight Test uses in a lot of their builds. Here I have this butane powered soldering torch. Right now it has a wedge shaped tip on there that comes with the package. So I'm going to show you what I do here. You can see I scored the line in there with the pencil. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the soldering iron tip on the very edge of the foam. And just like a butter knife, just slowly follow the line. Go ahead and turn that off there. Now as you can see, you have a fully functional hinge without any extra cutting and a lot less time. Now what's really cool, since the foam is being melted, is that, let's see if I can get it in focus here. Is that the paper actually folds over into the foam and sort of seals it off. You probably get about 45 degrees of movement using this method, which should be enough for most applications.